has extended the flood warning for Wayne County, Johnston County, until 5:45 p.m. At 1:46 p.m., emergency management officials reported ongoing flooding across the county. Numerous roads remain closed. Continue to heed any road closures. Some locations that will experience flooding include Goldsboro, Smithfield, Clayton, Mount Olive, Benson, Fremont, Walnut Creek, Micro, Selma, and Four Oaks. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. The water depth may be too great to allow your car to cross safely. Move to higher ground. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Stay away or be swept away.